Hello there, today we will be learning how to create miscellaneous receipts for a customer. Let's navigate to Financial Accounting module. Click Miscellaneous Receipt tab. As you can see under receipt type we have 5 types of receipts which are customer, employee, vendor, vendor advance, and others. So let's click on customer as we are going to create a miscellaneous receipt for customer. Search the customer here. Select a customer. Now pick your mode of payment like check, cash, credit card, and wire transfer. Here I'm going to select check. Enter the check number. Enter the amount. Now click on Add to Credit Distribution. Select the account that you want to deposit the amount. Enter the amount. Click on Add Item Changes. Select the bank that you want to deposit to. You can see the amount below here. Click on Preview to view the PDF and also submit the miscellaneous receipts for a customer. Now here is the receipt with all the details like customer name, account name, and also the amount.